Today I want to talk about the change management. Change management is an approach to transition individual, turn an organization to a desired future state. In a project management context, change management we may review a project management process. When change to the scope of a project are formula introduced and approaching. And then I will talk about the principle of change management. The first principle of change management is the first start at the top, because change is inherently uncertain for people at all levels of an organization. Where it's on the heart, all eyes will turn to the CEO and the leadership team for strict support and direction. The leaders themselves must embrace the new approach first, both to challenge and to motivate the receipt of instruction. They must speak with one voice and model the desired behavior. The executive team also need to understand that also its public face may be one of units. It too is composed of individuals who are going through stressful time and need to be supported. It's good team that work well together are best positioned for success. They are aligned and committed to the direction of change, understand the culture and behavior the change intended to introduction, and can model through change themselves as one large transportation company. Themselves turn roll out an activity to improve the performance of its corporate and field staff before addressing change issues at the office level. Only after the leadership team went through the process of aligning and committing to the change initiative was the workforce able to deliver downstream results. The second principle is to speak to the individual. Change is both an essential agent general and a very personal one. People spend many hours each week at work, many think of their colleagues as a second family. Individuals need to know how their work will change, what is expected of them during and after the change program, how they will be measured, and what success or failure will mean for them and those around them. Team leaders should be as honest and empathic as possible. People will return to what they see and hear around them, and need to be involved in the change process. Highly visible events such as promotion, recognition, and bonds should be provided and as dramatic with first reformers for embassy changes. Most leaders competing change know that people matter is all tapping how error to doing on the plan and process, which don't talk about and don't respond emotional rather than face up the more difficult and more critical human issues, but mention the soft side of change management. Need them be a myself.